Hi, this is Matthias from Windsor, and we had many of the agencies we work together with asking the question on how to structure data pipelines. So you're an agency, you have tens or hundreds of accounts. What's the best possible approach to get things structured? To get things structured is one of the most important things because it will save you a lot of headache if you get it right from the beginning. So here's a quick tutorial. You have, let's assume, for simplicity's sake, you have Facebook ads. Maybe you have 100 accounts there. You have Google ads, because these are the usual suspects. And now what you do is you create one data dump for all of your clients into a table. Or that's like the bare minimum version. So let's say you have your BigQuery or Snowflake instance. You just called table Facebook ads, and you do the same for Google ads. And now here, important, do not create a table for each of the clients you have, because that means that after you will always need to go back into the configuration in Windsor and create a new table every time you onboard a client. That's not what you want. So you have to think about what are the metrics and dimensions from Facebook ads and from Google ads you want to pull over. And once you set that, all your accounts will be on the same structure. Of course, you can always go later on and say, hey, I need a second Facebook ads table. But for simplicity's sake, just start out with one of them. And then what you do in BigQuery, you then have these two tables. You can then join them. So you can create a view or a materialized view. And you then join the data together. So joined data, you give it a meaningful name again there, and then you basically set spend column from Facebook ads to the spend column of Google ads. You maybe have a specific measure or a specific goal you measure for in Facebook ads. You join that together with the Google ads. In case you don't know how to write SQL, ChatGPT is also very good in helping you there. And then you create your first view, and that view will then create a join between Google ads and Facebook ads. So you then have that in one table. And note, at that point, ideally, you still have all your clients' data in one database. I would, in all the tables, use the two columns account ID and account name, because these will then help you to filter after. So once you have that table with the joint data, you then select where account ID is 123, which is client 1, or account name, you can also go by that. But in this way, you filter for the customer at the very last step. And then you bring that data into Looker Studio or Power BI. And that's essentially it. Maybe one more quick addition here is like if you work with CRM data, there it looks a little bit different. There you will create a table for each of the objects. So let's say you have Salesforce, but ultimately it's the same with HubSpot and all other CRMs. You have one table for contacts. You have one table for deals. And you have one table for emails, for example. So you then create one table each. And then here you probably have some join key where you then can bring the data from contacts with deals together. And again, there, if you don't know how to write SQL, ChatGPT can be of help there. So that's how the architecture will look approximately. And again, this table is then the final table. And this one is the one you will connect to your BI tool, such as Looker Studio. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with our connectors. If you have any questions, just contact us via chat or drop us an email at hello@windsor.ai. Thanks very much for watching.